Hey there, it's Kim, the Abundant Traveler, and today I thought I'd share a few things about packing cubes. As I travel more and more, I am discovering that I really like the idea of packing cubes. It keeps everything organized, in place, where it needs to be. I don't make a mess out of my suitcase when I am traveling. If you can see all around me, I ordered a ton of packing cubes on Amazon. So the first ones I ordered were the Valley Lawn design. These I'm not going to spend much time on. I personally felt they were the thinnest material with the least expensive zippers. I really wasn't a fan. There is value in the quantity you receive. I actually received 6, 7, like 7 of them together, which is good value, but I just didn't think that they were the highest quality. So these are going back to Amazon. I did really like the Bagos. They have the best packaging. The bags actually came in this nice plastic bag, and I would think that you could use this plastic bag when you are traveling. You have here another Ziploc baggie full of other bags that you can pack more shoes in, more things in, which I thought was fantastic. These are plastic. They're like big Ziploc bags, which is really nice. I do like the zippers. I discovered there are several of them that have this extra piece on the zipper. I really like this. It's easier to work this zipper. Also, what I did discover as well is I really like when the netting is a major portion of the top of the bag. That's very helpful to see what's in here. They have a large strap, so you can put this in your suitcase and pull it from the top if you'd like. I really like their products. You received 4 bags, 1, 2, 3, 2 larger size, 2 this size. And I think that they are the highest quality of everything that I ordered. I can pack underwear in one, shirts in another, pants in another, or I can pack by the day and I can put a shirt, pair of shorts, pair of shoes, underwear, and everything I need in one pack. Depends on how I'm traveling, where I'm going, and how long I'm going to be gone. So that's the Bagos. Definitely worth giving them a try. So these I really liked. They are the Gear for Free. This is, I like the turquoise too. I'm a girl. Lots of colors for these. You can get blue, black, pink, yellow, green, all different colors. Again, as I mentioned with the Bagos, I like this extra little tab. I found that the Gear for Free, the quality and material is quite strong. I like them a lot. And in this one, I received some large ones like this. Another pretty large one here. And then I received some small ones for, I don't know, packing your underwear. Medium size if you just want to put a bunch of t-shirts in here. And I really like this because whether you're taking a big suitcase or just a carry-on, there were plenty of sizes with the Gear for Free for everything that you needed. Also, again, I like a lot of netting here, so the netting will allow me to see what's actually in the bags. So I'm actually going to keep the Gear for Free. These are going to be added to my travel repertoire. So the next ones that I have, I love these as well. These are probably the most efficient, well thought out, well made ones that I ordered on Amazon on this. This is from Dot and Dot, and you can see that there is an extra seam here. These are the most efficient for the engineering types out there who want to be really efficient in their packing. I would suggest these for your carry-on. They're not huge, but they do fit nicely, and they're squared off, so they're very easy to handle in your carry-on. The coolest part about it, every one of the other packing cubes came in one color only. These came in 4 colors in one pack. So the next ones that I had are the Travelwise. I like these again because of the netting is big enough. I can find out what is in my bag. This material feels more like material, less like plastic. Most of the other ones feel like parachute material. This feels more, it's just a little bit thicker and it just has a different texture. It has just the single zipper without the little tab, but it's a strong zipper. I feel that these will hold up really, really well. They have nice big handles, easy to carry. And so with the Travelwise that I ordered, I got one small one, two mediums, and two larges. So again, I would say this is quite a value. Two large ones here. I do like these. They were not my favorites though, so I'm going to send these back. I would love to hear somebody's comments if they are using Travelwise, if they did like these. That would be great to get your feedback in the comments below. The last company that I ordered from, I actually ordered two sets. I ordered GaNX. They were the only ones besides Bago that sent me shoe bags. So they've got a nice little pull tab here. Put my shoes, keep my shoes away from all of my other clothes. Also, if you don't have a lot of dirty clothes, you could use these for dirty clothes bags as well. So I really like this as an additional item for the GaNX here. And then they sent a ton of options. They sent 7 bags and the 2 shoe bags. So I would say for value, quality and value, the GaNX, the regular size packet, would be your best value for money in quality and quantity. What I do not like about the GaNX is the fact that the netting is only on the side. So it's gonna be harder to see what is inside of your packing cube. I think the zipper is just fine, industrial zipper, just like the other ones. The handle I found on these maybe just a tad bit more cumbersome in picking them up out of your suitcase. But I do think for the money and the quantity, this is definitely a go. The GaNX I am going to keep are actually, I ordered their small carry-on packing cubes, and it's 4. I feel that these are going to be perfect in my carry-on. They are just a little bit bigger than the dot and dot that I was mentioning that are the most efficient for the carry-on. They're a little bit bigger, you can see in size. They're just a smidge bigger. I packed them the other day, and this one holds just a little bit more. And if you're not so concerned with being super neat, the little less structure in this one allows you to pack just a little bit more in your carry-on. All of these packing cubes from Amazon range from $16 to $25. So as far as the cost is actually irrelevant. It is the quality, the sizes that you want, the things that you are looking for, whether you want to be able to see more of your clothes, whether you want very efficient, well-structured bags, if you want more variety in size, like these with the Travelwise, the shoe holders like we had with the GaNX, or you want the most beautiful, which was the Bago. Me personally, I am going to keep, again, I'm going to keep the GaNX that are the travel size for the carry-on. And I have decided that I am going to keep the gear for free. There were several options here, several sizes, and I'll be able to pack my large suitcase as well as add a few to my carry-on. If you'd like to check out what I am using and what I'm buying, click the link below to my website and check out the resources and the shopping page. Again, thanks so much for listening. See you soon on The Abundant Traveler.